Noted author Madeline Miller wrote, "When he died, all things soft and beautiful and bright would be buried with him." This thought engulfs the entire nation as it prepares for the last rites of its 11th president, a scientist by profession but a teacher by choice. Dr. Kalam takes with him the beautiful and bright acumen he was blessed with, thus bereaving the nation of a freshet of positivity and inspiration. Dr. Kalam and his love for children is evident, for he felt that when young minds are ignited, the nation's progress is enkindled. Rejecting elite titles like President, Missile Man, Writer, Scientist, India 2020, he preferred to be remembered as a teacher. The Rashtrapati Bhavan bore the stamp of it, as it saw the maximum visits by school children during Dr. Kalam's tenure. He spent his last moments with students too in Shillong, talking to them about strengthening democracy.
It was the way he inspired the youth. So what we believe is that he had a very good connect with the youth of this country and the world. And his visions, they were very motivating.
Srijan Pal Singh, advisor to Dr. Kalam, who accompanied him to IIM Shillong, has penned a touching remembrance, which adds volume to the immense respect the departed leader relished. Singh wrote on Facebook, "Today I look back. He took the final journey teaching what he wanted to be remembered doing. Until his final moment, he was standing, working and lecturing. He left us as a great teacher, standing tall. He was successful, even in his end." Srijan's words are a reflection of sheer respect and honour he felt for his chief. But lending a ear to Habib Ahmed will show how, for a commoner, Dr. Kalam was an epitome of humility surpassing the airs and frills of presidency.
एक दफ़ा I was not well and मैं हॉस्पिटल में दाखिल था. जब उनको पता लगा तो he has given me a personal call and पता किया कि प्रॉब्लम क्या है, कैसे है, अब क्या हाल है.
The 4 long decades spent at DRDO made Dr. Kalam the most reputed nuclear scientist. He was one of the few scientists who worked at ISRO during the early years of the organization, when a church was made the office and a nearby beach the site of a launch pad. His brilliant intellect as chief scientific advisor to the Prime Minister gave shape to Pokhran tests, which augmented India's stature on the world map. And today the grateful nation mourns the departure of its missile man.
Kalam was one of the simplest human beings have known. He never showed his position. His simplicity was the greatest quality he had. And it is one of those really unusual qualities. The bigger you get, simpler you become. He was like that.
Whatever I have learned in terms of technology or in terms of management is from him. The SLV-3, India's first satellite launch vehicle, was the major stepping stone in his career as well as for the nation.
He was always the last person to unlock the door and go. See, he used to work till everybody leaves and then he will lock the door and go.
मैं लॉन्च पैड पे था, मुझे घर से मैसेज आया कि बच्ची को 10-12 साल की बच्ची थी, उसको फिट्स आए हैं, हॉस्पिटल लेके गए हैं. तो मेरी मिसेज लेके गई थी. तो मेरा चेहरा एकदम छोटा हो गया. कलाम साहब ने देखा कि कुछ प्रॉब्लम है, तो बोले क्या हुआ. तो मैंने बताया कि ऐसा ऐसा हुआ. उस समय तो हम लॉन्च पैड पे हैं, कुछ नहीं कर सकते. जब हम लॉन्च करके वापस पहुँचे तो मुझे टेलीफोन आया कि देखो मैंने चेन्नई के हॉस्पिटल में डॉक्टर राम मूर्ति न्यूरोसर्जन के साथ तुम्हारी बेटी का अपॉइंटमेंट फिक्स कर किया है और तुम उनको लेके जाओ और उनको वहाँ दिखाओ और वो तुम्हारा इलाज करेंगे.
Rameshwaram in Chennai braces with a heavy heart for the reluctant homecoming of the hero at Bore. The village that sprung to fame owing to its allegiance with Dr. Kalam will again be watched by the world as it will bid the last adieu to the illustrious leader. Sabu village, 8 kilometers from Leh, was lost in gloom. A village which Dr. Kalam said reminded him of his native village Rameshwaram.
नेचुरल बात है कि जब न्यूज़ सुना तो मैंने तो स्पेशली मतलब काफ़ी मुझे दुख हुआ. तो यहाँ के जितने भी जो नगरे के इस गांव के उनको भी बहुत दुख हुआ क्योंकि ये कलाम साहब इस गांव से जुड़े हुए थे.
J.K. Rowling says, "To the well-organized mind, death is but the next great adventure." Little did he know that in pursuing his next great adventure, Dr. Kalam leaves the nation grieving for his loss. A loss that will cost nothing less than an arm and a leg to the nation. Newsnight Desk, DD News.